In a vast, endless plain, a majestic bison named Balgus roamed free. With a mane as black as night and a body as broad as the horizon, Balgus was the pride of the herd. But Balgus carried a heavy burden, an ancient prophecy that foretold his destiny. One day, a mysterious stranger appeared, claiming to be a seer. He told Balgus that he was chosen to save the herd from an impending danger. Balgus, with his heart heavy, questioned his strength and wisdom. Could a simple bison truly save his kin? The seer, seeing Balgus' doubt, shared a vision. He showed Balgus a future where the herd was scattered, their lands ravaged, and their numbers dwindling. Balgus, moved by compassion, resolved to face his destiny. He embarked on a journey, facing challenges that tested his strength and courage. He crossed treacherous rivers, scaled towering mountains, and braved the coldest of winters. Along the way, he met other creatures, each offering advice and support. One of them was a wise old owl who taught Balgus the value of patience and strategy. Another was a swift and cunning fox who showed him the importance of adaptability. Each lesson learned, Balgus grew stronger, wiser, and more determined. Finally, Balgus reached the source of the danger, a ravenous pack of wolves. With a roar that echoed across the plain, Balgus charged. The wolves, taken aback, retreated, realizing they had underestimated their opponent. With the danger vanquished, Balgus returned to his herd. His strength and wisdom had saved them, and his reputation as a hero spread far and wide. The herd was safe, and Balgus had found a new purpose, to protect and guide them. The story of Balgus serves as a reminder that even the smallest of creatures can make a significant impact. It teaches us that with determination, courage, and wisdom, we too can face our challenges and create a better future.